Today's video is about the 3-period lesson. As a parent interested in the Montessori method, you may have heard about the 3-period lesson, a hallmark of Montessori education that helps child learn vocabulary and concepts. In simple terms, the 3 steps or periods are: Number 1. Naming means introduction, such as this is a cup. Number 2. Recognition means identification, such as show me the cup. Number 3. Remembering means cognition, such as what is this? As a parent, your role as your child's first teacher is not the same as a trained educator. Quite naturally, you have been using the 3-period lesson as you communicate with your baby and toddler. Your use of this lesson is much more informal than in a classroom setting. It is a tool to allow you to see your child's knowledge of a particular concept and a technique to keep in mind throughout his childhood. The first period is this is. You have been naming people, places, and things for your baby from the very beginning. These names are used over and over, clearly isolating and identifying objects with one-word descriptions. The baby hears the sounds and begins to understand language. Children will not distinguish differences at this early age. For example, all people may be mama or all animals might be called dogs. Lots of names are learned before a child learns to speak, and understanding often comes before a child is able to verbalize. Learning takes place through all the senses, not just by hearing. Babies touch, taste, squeeze, smell, push, and manipulate everything. As you identify concepts such as hot or cold, children not only learning the vocabulary, but they also experience the quality. They miraculously internalize the world through all their senses. Montessori refers to this innate ability as the absorbent mind. The second period is show me. This stage of learning is the longest, and your child needs to have many experiences hearing the names of things. You may have noticed that your child looks in the direction of an object you name. She is indeed connecting the word with the object. Later, your little one understands simple instructions. Montessori identified how important movement is for learning, so playing games that incorporate movement. For example, ask your child to find the ball and bring it to you. Peek-a-boo games help children learn during the second period. Where is Daddy? There he is. Naming games are fun for children, whether reading together, riding in the car, or playing. I spy at home. Where's the horse? Find the red balloon. Enjoy watching your child absorb information about the world and recognize objects. There is no reason to hurry on the third period until your child has fully experienced and learned vocabulary during this second level of learning. This process might continue for months, weeks, or days. The third period is what is this? Although some call the third period the test. Don't ask your child a vocabulary question until you know he will be successful. Recall how delighted you were when your child first said mama or doggy. When the child can name something, it signals cognition. The third step of learning, if you ask, "What is this?" your child might not know. This tells you that more repetition and experience is needed. Never indicate that your child has failed. Just go back to the second period, play more naming games. Reintroduce vocabulary while you talk about what you see, and then enjoy your child's amazing absorbent mind. The purpose of three-period lesson is to help the child to better understand and to allow you to see how well the child is grasping and absorbing what you are showing him. Experience this three-period lesson and share how well did it worked. Thank you.